When I entered the territory of Donbass in 2022 as a volunteer, at that time, the Akhmat Special Forces unit was made up entirely of Chechens, and the Akhmat Special Forces consisted solely of people of Chechen nationality. Over these 3 years, the Akhmat Special Forces have become an international unit, and today in my Akhmat unit, about 50% are Russians, about 25% are Chechens, and the remaining 25% are representatives of all other nationalities from Russia, the former Soviet Union, and beyond. I even have Japanese, Chinese, and Koreans. Everyone who voluntarily came to defend our motherland became part of the unit, and as they say, they all live together like one big family. At first, we made a kind of sticker and put it on the car that our clergy members constantly use to get around. That is, in Akhmat, we have 4 Orthodox priests and 4 Muslim imams. And then together with the guys, we came to a common decision that we really needed to change our flag, because our flag should fully embody the inner spirit and soul of our unit. As a significant result, we ultimately ended up creating a truly distinctive flag that thoughtfully incorporates the 2 main and prominent religious denominations of our beloved country, Orthodoxy and Islam. In this profound way, we further prove to absolutely everyone that we simply cannot be divided. We must indeed unite as much as humanly possible. In Akhmat, it's truly like a very large and embracing family with many different nationalities and diverse faiths. But everyone knows that we are engaged in a holy war. And in this truly holy and righteous war, we now have a brand new distinctive flag that will certainly not leave anyone feeling indifferent, regardless of their nationality, their background, or their deeply held faith.